Andrew Drum. Quiznos, best tasty. I have to get sponsored because I can't pay $8 every day.
That's a lot of money for Quiznos, dude.
Yeah.
So it's $16 you've spent so far, and it's only been open for like 36 hours.
Oh boy, I love it. Quiznos, toasty. 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 Toasty.
I had 7-Up. It's pretty cool.
Good one, new guy.
Yeah, whatever, noob.
Shut the fuck up, noob. This is Chris's first riff.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Ever record. We're gonna be patient. That's fucking wrong! And
I'm not gonna hate him too
we're
much.
not gonna hate him. Oh my god! You ever played before?
Are you fucking serious, dude? I don't have all day. I have
Chris, meet
very
the
little
guitar.
time.
And it's gonna be good. Okay, Nick, music. Welcome to the past.
Oh man, you're stepping on shit.
Here's truly playing.
It's true plan. Look at Josh.
Nick, you're a douche. Actually, look exactly
I had a
the same.
chick strap. I look like a homo.
Dude, I look like fucking. I look like a fashionable.
Look at Kyle. Kyle,
I
wearing
wear
a tie-dye shirt.
Holy motherfucker, Kyle looks like a douchebag bastard. Yo, but watch back.
Josh, listen
Fuck
to
you,
you.
motherfucker. I hope you burn it out. Hey, you fucking dickhead bitch.
Well, you're saying that's why you get worse.
I don't give a fuck.
I'm not watching shit. I'm recording
I know, I'm just telling you for future reference, you cocksucker bitch. I'm so pissed off at you.
Say whatever you feel like. I do. I had sex with his mother yesterday. His grandmother gave me a blowjob on her birthday. Kiss my ass.
3 kids?
Oh yeah, it's real funny too. Look at all the people laughing, Ryan. I got angry. You think you're what? I would get angry again. But not on the stairs anymore.
I'll get on your
Try it.
living room carpet.
You will not. That's your father's job.
Ew.
Look at this asshole. Look at his nose.
You put me like my nose is great.
Yeah, your nose is like Mount Everest. It's fucking crazy.
That's Ben, dude. Ben's got a bigger nose than I do.
I think
what's
you
the
will-
first song
I
you
don't
did?
know. I think it's a challenge.
What?
We recorded this part of your voice today, so you can hear it. What it would sound like.
Seriously, Ryan, sing
That's
it.
not my real
Do a
voice.
sing it factual. You said
I like it.
Row. Row.
Okay. Alright.
Got a problem, man?
Fight me? Fuck you, Ryan. I wish you know, I'm glad you're not out
Ryan's
here right
fucking
now.
in the
I hate
closet.
your fucking ass.
Where'd Ryan go?
He's locked in the closet.
Like you guys off.
It's your fault.
Jerkin.
was a cute chuckle. Right? He's like, alright, let me hear that. I think it's good.
Have to go off right here.
Yeah, for that thing.
Yeah, the only thing is when I hear the solo with that effect on it, it sounds like all the background goes down.
It's all the same level.
Really?
Yeah, it's not changing.
Crazy. Then could you add maybe?
Oh, I can just make that specific.
Okay, yeah, that's probably what's missing.
You know what I mean?
Probably. Or could you just add it?
Don't smile at the camera and pretend it's not here.
Sorry. Yeah, because I don't hear Chris at all. That's the only thing.
Having a fucking parade party or some shit.
Head bowing.
I don't
Cool, man. They're both good. Sounds good for a quick recording. You know? Quick. Good.
I love this.
Shut up, Ben. Your opinion doesn't matter yet. Why do you always do that? It's so
I'm
weird.
good at it.
No, you're not.
You suck.
Nick.
Yes.
Thanks, man.
Does he think he punched him?
That hurt. You got a bony. You're a strong little kid. My sister must love you.
Right. My sister must love you. Wanna fight me too, man? I'm trying your little bitch moves.
Don't rip anything though. It's H&M. Okay, thanks.
Wait, hang on, let me just... I just want to do a little quick. Super